I'm Brady. I'm a court intern for this year's Western and Southern Open, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to put on a tubeless tire and repair it so that it's not off the rims anymore.
This tire is completely off the rim, and you can see by seeing the valve stem down on the inside that it is a tubeless tire. There's no tube inside there, and the valve stem comes through all the way through the rim. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off by putting some soapy water around the rim and around the edge of the tire where it contacts the rim to kind of clean it, but more so to just create the ability to seal the tire. And so we have to do that on both sides. So we're doing it on the upper side and on the bottom side. So that both sides, all the way around, we've got soapy water on the rim and on the tire itself. Next, what we're going to do is we get ready for our air pressure, but we're going to put a strap around the tire, a ratchet strap, and we've made a loop with this ratchet strap. And what we're going to do is put it around the tire so that we can kind of squeeze the tire so that it puts pressure on the rim, so we get a nice tight seal between the rim and the edge of the tire itself. And so once he gets it in the middle of the tread all the way around, he's going to pull it tight, and then he's going to crank the ratchet a couple of times in order to get extra pressure. Sometimes you have to release the catch in the center to be able to get it to where it's ready to ratchet. And once he has that, we're going to crank it up tight. First we'll make sure it's in the center of the tread all the way around, and then we ratchet it a few times to get it nice and tight. And what that does is it causes the sidewalls of the tire to pop out and make contact with the rim. And so once we have that in the position we want and nice and tight, then we're ready to add air. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put a good amount of pressure on it so the tire kind of pops out, makes a good seal all the way around the edges of the rim on both sides, and inflate the tire. So as you can see, he's looking at the gauge because we want to get it up to about 30 pounds of pressure or a little more on the tire itself in order to bring it up to the maximum pressure allowed for that tire. Once we've done that, he's going to put the valve stem cap back on, and then we're going to release the strap. And so we release the strap by opening it all the way up and getting the pressure off the tire. And now we're ready to go. And as you can see, we've got a nice, tight, ready to use tire on this blower.